Hey everyone, today we are going to practice articles, that is a, an or the. What we are to do in the first question, that is fill in the blanks with a, an or the. But before starting the question is, let me tell you where to use a, an and the. Right? So a is used with the words that begin with, okay, begin with what sound? Consonant sounds. Begin with consonant sounds. Next one is an. An is used with the words begin with vowel sound. Do keep in mind what we are to concentrate on, the sound, right? Not the letter. The letter may be a vowel, may be a consonant, but we need to focus on the sound. So, and the beginning sound, not the ending sound or middle sound. We are to concentrate on the beginning sound. If it is of a consonant, then we use a. If it is of a vowel, then we use an. And the is special. The is used with special nouns. Okay. Now, with the help of questions, we will practice and learn where to use a, an, or the. So question number 1 is she bought dash orange from the market. See the word orange right after the blank. Okay, the noun right after the blank. We need to pronounce it. We need to say it aloud and do concentrate on the initial sound. So here the word is orange. Ah. So the sound is of ah. That is a vowel sound. So if it is a vowel sound, we need to use an. Next one is he is reading dash interesting book. Interesting. Once again pronounce the word interesting. In E. So the initial sound is E, that is again of a vowel. So what we are to use here? An. Next one, see, my father is dash honest man. My father is dash honest. No doubt the word is beginning with a consonant. H is a consonant. But here we need to concentrate on the sound. This word is not honest. This is not honest. H is silent here and the word is honest. Okay. Do pronounce behind me, after me, that is honest. Okay. So the sound is of that is a vowel, not a consonant. So here the correct article is to be used as an. Next one is we went to dash park near our house. Now see, here is a park, but which park? That is near our house. So this one is a special park, not an any park, but it is talking about a special park. The park, that one is near their house. So we went to the park. When it is a special noun, we use the. Suppose if near our house is not given, then we use a according to the sound. We went to a park. That means talking about any of the parks. Okay. So, but here it is a special park that is near our house. Next one is there is dash university in our city. Once again, do concentrate on the sound, not the letter. See, the first letter is U. U is a vowel, but here the sound is university. It is not university, right? The sound is of a consonant, university, yeah. So what we are to use? Okay, there is a university in our city. Next one, the student saw dash eagle. Eagle. So once again, E sound. So this is a vowel sound. What we are to use at an. Next one, I met dash boy who won the race yesterday. Now see the boy, but which boy? Who won the race yesterday? That is a special boy, right? Suppose if this part is not given, then we can use a. I met a boy yesterday, or I met a boy. But here it is a special boy, the boy who won the race yesterday. So here we are to use the, because this boy is special. Okay. So I met the boy who won the race. Next one is she works as a dash engineer in a repeated form. Engineer, E. vowel sound, so an is the correct answer. Next one is let us sit under dash tree. So here it is not given which tree, generally any of the tree. So here we will use A according to the consonant sound. Next one is the Ganga is a dash holy river. Ganga, this is a special noun, so the is used here, and here we are to tell that this one is a holy river. Holy, it is the same word like honest, right? Honest word also begin with H, but the sound is of a vowel because H is silent. But here the word is beginning with H, same letter, but here it is pronounced as holy, not Ollie. Okay, so H is not silent here. So the sound is of ha, holly, ha. So that means what we are to use here? A. Next one is choose the correct option. You are to choose the correct option. He wants to be dash doctor. Here one D option may also be there. That is no article, because some conditions are there in which we are to use no article. That means no article is to be used, right? He wants to be dash a doctor, but here it is talking about a doctor. That means he wants to be, what he wants to be? He wants to be a doctor. Doctor, the sound, that's why A is correct answer. If it is engineer, then an. If it is a teacher, then A. See the next one. Once again, the most important question from the articles. My mother is a dash, and the most confusing also. My mother is a dash MLA. Now see, this word is written as an abbreviation, short form, but this is pronounced as MLA. So what we need to concentrate? We need to concentrate on the beginning sound. This is of A. When we open mouth to pronounce MLA, so what is the first sound that comes out? That is a. So A sound, that means this is of a vowel sound. So what we are to use here? And the correct answer is an. Same is with SDM, MA. Okay. Next one is he is playing on dash piano. So he is playing on dash piano. P sound. So do tell me in the comment box what is to be used here, A or an. Next one is there is a dash are left for the exam. Once again the same word. This is H. First letter is H, but H is a silent here. This is our, not hour. This is our. So a sound is there. So which one is the correct answer? And next one, have you seen dash Taj Mahal? Taj Mahal. Which Taj Mahal? The Taj Mahal that is in Agra. So this means this is special. Okay, Taj Mahal is a special. So what we are to use here? The last question, error correction. Now what we are to do here? We are to identify the error and supply the correction. Okay, so this is related to articles, so we need to concentrate on the articles only. First one is she saw a elephant in the zoo. So do concentrate on this because this is the article. Here it is used a. See whether we are to use the or an. So elephant, elephant, a sound is there. So what will be the correct article? That is an. So error is A, and what we are to use, the correction is an. Similarly, the second one is I bought an useful book for the shop, from the shop. So an useful, useful, your sound, right? So what we are to use here? A. Okay, so here an and here A. Next one is he lives in he lives in a United States of America. See, United States of America, once again special. Okay, this is not an ordinary thing. This is a special means a group, United States of America, USA. So what we are to use here? The instead of A. So error is the. How to attempt this question? You may write down like this: error A, correction the. Okay, so in this way you are to answer this question. See the next one. The chair is made of a wood. The chair is made of a wood. Now some students will think that it is correct. No error is there because wood is the word and it is beginning with the war sound. So A is correct. But dear students, here no article is to be used. Okay, no article. A or an or the, no article will be used. Right, the correction will be, means you can write down the sentence and then the correction like no article. Okay, you can like write down like this, or even you can rewrite the sentence. The chair is made of wood. The chair is made of wood, not a wood, an wood or the wood. Okay, only wood. I will tell you the reason after this question. Next, we should speak the truth and follow our honesty. Once again, we should speak the truth and follow our honesty. Now you will think that this is honesty, so A will be replaced with an. But no, here once again we will not use any article, right? So correction will be no article. No article will be used with honesty. Now you will think, or you will just like feel how it can happen. Why we know we don't use any article here? So do let me tell you, whenever we have a proper noun, that means someone's name. Okay, for example, my name is Gagan, so I will never use any article with my name. I won't say that I am a Gagan, or my name is a Gagan, or my name is an Gagan, or my name is the Gagan. No, no article is to be used with names. Next one, abstract noun. Okay, whenever we have abstract nouns, that means the nouns which we can just feel, can't touch, like love, hate, honesty, wisdom. Okay, so these all are abstract nouns. We never use any article with these abstract nouns. Okay, so here honesty is an abstract noun, so we will not use any article. What about wood? Wood is a material noun, so with material nouns we never use article. Okay, so here wood is a material noun, so we won't use any article. And apart from that, just like that, water, oil, okay, gold, silver, unless it is a special gold. If it is talking about a special gold, then we will use the, right. For example, let me tell you, for example, like see, uh, dash, water is essential, okay, for survival. So here we won't use any article because it is talking about water, that is a material noun. A water, and water, the water, no. But if we talk about this, dash water in that pond is not potable, right? Now we are talking about that pond or that river, right? The water in that river or that pond, that means here it is a specific water, right? We are talking about a special water, means water of a specific river. So the water in that river is not potable. So then in these cases we will use the. For example, dash gold is expensive. So here it is talking about only gold, right? So we won't use any article. So gold is expensive. But if we talk about, right, dash gold found in any specific place is inferior, right? So then we are talking about a special gold. So the gold found in those mines is inferior or is of a low quality, right? So in such cases we will use the, right? Otherwise, if it is generally a material noun, then we won't use any article. Same is with abstract nouns or proper noun. Okay, so do try to understand what I want to convey and do practice regularly to learn grammar. So this is all for today's video, students. See you in the next video. Till then, thank you. Bye bye. Keep learning.